Therefore, bossing, oo, na-mention mo kanina na parang somehow you did this movie for your kids, no? Parang request nila sa'yo, special request. So parang, in a way, parang naging very personal tong film sa'yo. Parang naging passion project na rin siya, ganyan. So, anong reaction nila when you told them na gagawa ka ng ganito dahil sa request nila? At may plano ba kayo to watch it together sa Christmas or pag showing na?
Sa premiere night, for sure. Alas 8 pa rin umaga, nandun na yung mga anak ko.
Gano'n sila ka-excited.
Isa lang ang pinoproblema ko, si Tali. Baka,
Yung rating nito,
yeah, I don't think, there's a possibility na she won't be able to watch it. Although she's very excited for me, she's so excited about the movie. As a matter of fact, she is promoting the movie sa kanyang mga classmates.
wow!
Totoo.
Sinasabi niya may Daddy's Leia King, parang gano'n.
No naman. Sinasabi lang na, hey, my dad, there's a movie this Christmas. You have to watch it. Eh, mga grade 1 yun.
Ganun ba siya sa mga pelikula mo before, bossing?
May nag-text nga kay co-mami ni Pauline. May nag-text, sinend yung picture nung poster namin na lumabas. Oh, so, this is what Tala was talking about. Tala is Tali's classmate. She's forcing me to watch it with her. Oh no.
Wow! Yung mga nakaraang bang pelikula, pinopromote ni Tali, bossing? O ito lang?
This is the first movie that medyo aware na siya eh. The last time I made a movie, she was only 2 years old. So wala pa siyang malay. Eto ngayon na siya nagkamalay. She's very happy, she's very excited. Sabi ko, hintay mo na lang sa Netflix kaya.
Pero wala man chance maging medyo mababa yung rating, medyo pwede yung mga bata. Mukhang hindi talaga.
I don't know. It depends MTRCB and how they'll take it.
Ano sabi naman ni Vico? Bilang yun nga, yung role mo dito, in a way parang politician din siya, di ba? Parang head of state.
Is very happy kasi yung isang resource person namin is working sa Pasig City Hall, sa Pasig City Government with the cultural chorba, whatever. So siya pa nga yung nagsabi sa akin, uy, maganda raw yung pelikula niyo. Sabi ni, what's the name of that? Si Another Nestor? Hindi yung natin production designer. Isa sa mga resource persons namin, isa pa yung nagsabi sa akin, uy, ganda raw ng konsepto niyo. I'm sure he's gonna watch. He's very proud.